So if you're an enterprise SEO site, then you're going to need to do dynamic search engine optimization. But the issue is that a lot of these enterprise SEO sites don't even know what dynamic search engine optimization and dynamic optimization even means. Hi, I'm John Lincoln with Ignite Visibility, and today I'm going to talk to you about dynamic SEO. Okay, so when I say dynamic optimization, what I mean is using a set of principles to optimize many different pages at once. So let me give you an example. If you're a big website like a Macy's.com, then you don't want to be taking the time to have to go in and optimize every single category, every single subcategory, every single product. You could have thousands and thousands of products in thousands and thousands of categories and subcategories. So with this principle of dynamic optimization, you can optimize sections of your website, many pages within these sections of your website all at once. And so that's why it's so important. And I've been doing this for a very long time, actually, since about 2010. And that's when I first learned about dynamic optimization. So it kind of works like this. So say that you have your shoe category, and then all your different brands of shoes, your different colors of shoes, and so on and so forth. So what you can do is using fields. So examples of fields might be the category, it might be color, and it might also be a brand, right? So if you have Nike red shoes, those would be examples of 3 different fields that you could dynamically pull information from the database to do optimization in things like your title, your description, your H1, your H2, inside of your copy on the page, inside of your file, your image file, your image alt text, and your image caption. And by knowing that this is what this page is about Nike red shoes, you can take those elements and you can dynamically insert them into the template on the page. And that's usually done through some type of technical way. In most cases, it's a Ruby on Rails framework, an ASP.NET framework. In some cases, it's things that are generated through some type of JavaScript or Ajax. And in some cases, it's done through a PHP-based system. But that's not what you need to worry about. As an SEO, search engine optimization professional, you just want to make sure you can get as many pages optimized at once in the best possible way. So for example, inside of your title tag, you could have it written something like best category, color, brand, right? So best shoes, red, Nike, right? You'd probably want to put that into a different sequence, right? So best red Nike running shoes, for example. And you can dynamically insert those keywords into that category. And then if you go down a step further, which might be size 10, best Nike running shoes size 10, and so on and so forth, you can go down that sequenced approach and you can optimize everything from best shoes to best running shoes to best Nike running shoes to best red Nike running shoes to best red Nike running shoes size 10, right? And now what you've done is you've dynamically created optimization across each one of those templates. And this works for e-commerce sites, this works for travel and hospitality sites, this works for any type of website really with sequences of pages that relate to each other. It's also a great way just to think about website segmentation as a whole. But the other thing that I really love about dynamic optimization is it gives you the ability to test. So for example, if you have a site with 1,000 different categories, right? And one segment of your categories, you want to test a different title tag and a different description, you can rewrite that and you can test that and you can see if you get higher click-through rates. And if within that controlled group, if you get higher click-through rates and you get a better response, you can then take that and then roll that out to the rest of the website. And when you roll it out to the rest of the website, now you've taken your learnings from a specific portion of the site, you've pushed it to the entire site, and now the entire website is benefiting from higher click-through rates from the study that you did. So that's a little bit about how dynamic optimization works on an enterprise type of website. This applies to all the elements that I discussed, but also to things like schema.org, to your video optimization, and it's a great way just in general to think about a website and to optimize a website. You can optimize a whole website all at once just based off of a set of principles, or you can take the time to go page by page by page forever and probably never be done. So that's it for dynamic optimization in SEO today. Hope you learned something. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.